back to my channel. Today I will share with you about a new brilliant project named as Scotty the AI. I will share all the detail about this project. It is powered by Solana. I will share its tokenomics, roadmap, audit, all the detail. But before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So you can see their pre-sale is going on. They have the 12 days until their launch. So must go and get it on that pre-sale stage before CEX listing so that you can get a profit at that time. But in the future, its price will goes up after their launch and you will get it higher, and in that way you can easily be able to make money on it. So you can see 12 days are left, only one pre-sale stage before CEX listing, which have just 12 days, 14 or 39 minutes. So it's your choice. Must do your own research before investing in it, but it is a good one. You can see USD raised amount is given here. Your price Scotty, one Scotty is equal to 0.000375. You can select the currency which you want to buy, USDT Solana, or you have to select the payment method here. You have to enter that. Suppose with 10 you will get such amount of Scotty. You have to just connect your wallet and get that. On ETH holder, get a 10% bonus to featured in. You can see Finboard inside Bitcoin's new BTC crypto news. You can see YouTube talking about Scotty. Their videos are giving here, so must go and watch that. I will share these link in my video description, so you can go. Meet Scotty V2, the OG guardian of the crypto universe in the wild west of crypto. One name stands above the rest, Scotty of the AI. More than just a meme coin, it's not just a meme coin. It is an AI-powered guardian, trader, and degen campaign designed to navigate the jaws of the blockchain with intelligence, speed, and meme-fueled precision. You can see they have the legendary first run. Their Scotty V2 is back and stronger than the ever now on Solana. So it is the best project, and they have the fast transaction, lower fees. They have next level scalability, their evaluation of AI meme coin. So Scotty does not keep up, they stays ahead. Whether it's tracking trends, dropping alpha, or helping snipe the next 100x, Scotty has their back, and so they welcome you to the future of AI meme coin here. What is Dollar Scotty? Now they are talking about that. Dollar Scotty is more than just a token. It's a movement powered by Solana blockchain. There brings meme magic and AI precision into one. You can see it here, and all their details which is given here you can see, and you can be able to work on it. And all the details, they have the AI driven insight, instant tokens, analysis, real-time liquidity, tracking, you can see it here, and Solana powered seeds, faster swaps, lower fees, and next level staking and rewards while holding. Though if you go and hold them, you will get the staking level, next level earn, and they have Solana powered seed. They have faster swap, lower fees, and seamless transaction, exclusive airdrop. This is Scotty, the original AI agent. You can see it here. The Scotty's adventure. Scotty stays current on AI, blockchain, and cryptocurrencies. With their high incredibility memory, they have the able to recall every transaction, moving through the digital world with a lightning fast. You can see here they're darting through the blockchain like a ghost in the machine. Scotty bypasses security system, which is slipping through the tiniest and gaps in the firewall. So they have supply which is given, which is a larger supply. You can see the tokenomics is given. They are spending 30% of the total supply in their tokenomics in their pre-sale. You can see it here. They have given 25% to their marketing. They have given 25% to the DEX and liquidity and listing. They are 10% reward, future development funds, Scotty VS plans here given. You can see it here, booting up V2, and you can see phase 2. They will go for the lift off Scotty live on Solana, DX liquidity boost, and they will go for the viral marketing of AI powered meme incoming. First CEX listing, you can see phase 3. They will go for full scale domination, where they will go for the AI powered insight holders, Scotty NFT drop, meme meets collection community. In phase 4, they will go for the full scale domination, major partnership, metaverse integration, AI memes in the delight digital world. So How to buy? First of all, you have to connect your wallet, and after that you can fund your wallet. You can swap token for $Scotty, and here step 4 is you can shoot for the moon and you can sell them and get that. You can see their frequently asked question is given. You can claim your free $Scotty by just giving your name, email and your phone number. You have to accept the terms and condition. You can admit and you will get that. Here the Scotty detail is given. Are you ready to ride the V2 meme coin wave? You can click here and log in. So I share all the details. It is the best time for meme coin, so you can go and work on it, and you can easily be able to make money on it too. In their pre-sale at that time their price is low and you can easily be able to work on it. So if I go further, they have the white paper given here. You can see their white paper, their abstract, then what who is Scotty. I share that on the website too, so you can able to work on it. So you can see their tokenomics here. Pre-sale 30%, I shared already about that too. You can must go and join them on their Telegram, Twitter, so you can easily be able to be a part of their community, so you can get to know more about it. Their audit is also done, so it is safe and secure for the working. You can go and join them on Twitter, Telegram, and easily be able to make money on it too. So I share all the details, so it's a good chance to buy it on the pre-sale. Almost 12 days are left and must go and do your own research before investing. I share the details. So if you like my video, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.